Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Gemini. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Gemini. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and few more cards from the other deck. Child, Clover, Sun. Gemini, today you're finding yourself in a position, okay? Something new is coming in, some kind of what to say, spontaneous situation, and you're getting lucky, guys. Some kind of opportunity is knocking your doors, okay? Something very unexpected and what to say, just like a twist of fate, something which you will never expect even in your wildest dreams is coming to you, and you're feeling very much very optimistic and energetic and inspired to take it up, okay? And you're taking the counsel from your friends, suggestions. People are helping you or you are helping them, okay? You're providing your valuable counsel to them, suggesting what they have to do in situation. You're helping people, so that may also be the energy here. Some kind of communication is happening. This may be with your person or in your office or in your family, okay? Within maybe between your siblings or your friends, and this person you're in relationship with, you have a very good understanding, guys, and you love each other's company, and your relationship is on a positive what to say, positive side, guys. It is moving towards a positive mutual, what to say, understanding you have in your relationship. Both of you all are devoted to each other, and there is what to say, good understanding between you all in this relationship. So that is the energy here, guys, and you're feeling very enthusiastic and confident today. Maybe in your work you may uh, find some very rare opportunities that will lead you to your success, guys. That may also be the energy, and for some of you all it may mean a fresh start, okay? You may start something, maybe a second career in some kind of a creative field. You may take up you may pursue your talents like painting or singing, something. You're launching a second career move, something like that, okay? So that is also the energy here, guys. Some good news you're getting today, guys. Gemini, um, you're getting a good news today, uh, which you never expected, and this person, this relationship, uh, in this relationship you feel very responsible, and you feel your person understands about you, and you have a good communication, guys. So let me pick out 3 cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Gemini. kindness, be discerning, okay, show justice. Gemini, today you will be in a position to look into yourself for the choices you want to make in your life in order to reach your goals. So you should be aware of all the things you should make a, you should make a choice about. It may not be the bigger things, even the smaller things, not only the bigger things, even the smaller things. So those choices will automatically lead us to our goals. So you should be clearly aware about your choices, guys. So opportunity is going to knock you today. Some good luck is coming, some good news is coming. So you should seize that opportunity and make use of it. So before that, you should understand what are your goals and what is it? Yeah, goals to achieve, and you will be appreciated today for your kindness and maybe for your in your work. People may acknowledge your work, so that may also be the energy here, guys. And when you listen to other person in your relationship, when you listen to your person or listen to the people in your life, okay, take their valuable suggestions on any issue, and you don't have to be judgmental, okay. When you do that, when you listen to people and value their suggestions and see the situation from their standpoint, and when you're open to what to say, uh, see the truth in any situation, guys. When you do that, you don't have to control the other person and dictate the terms based on what you like, okay. So you should see the other person's point of view also, and come to a solution after listening to their views and suggestions, guys. When you do that, you will what to say, clearly understand the situation, and you will appreciate the other person's viewpoint as well, okay. So you need to make your choices after that, guys, Gemini. So that is the energy I'm getting here, Gemini. So some kind of good news is knocking you, guys, and in this relationship you're feeling very devoted to your person. You have a good communication and people are appreciating you today. So that is the energy here, guys. Or you want to appreciate your person for what they have done, okay. And you are being you are very understanding towards them, okay. So that is the energy here, guys. Thanks for watching, Gemini. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.